Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you solve the most difficult questions in the math periodic. So here in this question, fill in the blanks to give the coefficients of the polynomial px minus qx when expressed in simplest form. So first step here, what do you do? Now first step, you have 5x to the power of 4 minus 2x to the power of 4. These are like terms. So 5 minus 2, you get 3. So here you have to write 3. Okay? And then here you have minus 13x to the power of 3. This is done for you. Next one, you have x squared. So for x squared, minus x squared, you get 3. So here 3x squared. And then last one, coefficient of x. Here you have negative 6x, and here minus 4x, you get minus 10. So here you have to write 10 because minus is already written. And then 9 minus 0, you have to write here 9. And that is the question. So let's now move to next one. So here, for example, subtract 3x plus 2 plus 5x squared plus 3x squared from 7x cubed plus 6x plus 8x squared plus 7. So what do you do in this case? In order to solve this question, you have to do the subtraction. So you have to subtract 7x cubed plus 6x plus 8x squared plus 7, and here you arrange the like terms under each other, and here you write 5x squared, and here you write plus 2, and here you write under 6x there's nothing. Okay, sorry, there is 3x, so here 3x. Then you start subtracting. Okay, now you subtract. Here you get first term 4. So here you have 4x cubic, then plus 3x, then plus 3x squared, then plus 5. And that is the answer. Okay, let's now move to the next one. Here you have to subtract also, same thing. So let's see what we do here. If you want to subtract AB, here you have minus 7AB minus AB. So minus 7 minus 1, minus means plus. So minus 7AB minus means plus, so plus AB. So you get minus 6. Okay, so here first one will be minus 6. So let's write it. Minus 6 here. Then 5a is done for you. What's the coefficient of b? Here you have minus b, and here you distribute the minus here. So you have minus 11b. So minus b and minus 11b, you have minus 12b. So here you write 12. And that is the answer. So let's see now next one. Okay, the polynomial opposite to this expressed in standard form, what is it? Remember, standard form means the highest power first. So here you write 7 p to the power of 3. Okay, we want to remember the opposite, the polynomial opposite to this. So here you have 7p cubed, you write minus 7. Opposite means minus 7. Here plus 7, minus 7. So next, here you have minus 12p squared, it becomes plus 12p squared. Then what about p? Here you have minus 3p, so you have to write it plus 3p. And here you have minus 7, you have to write it plus 7. And that is the answer. Let's see now next one. Here. Simplify, then fill in the blanks with the correct numbers. Okay, part A, n minus 8n squared plus 19. You have to add it to 14n squared minus 5n minus 8. So let's add the like terms. Here you have minus 8n squared plus 14, you get 6n squared. So here's 6n squared. And then n minus 5n, you get minus 4n. So here 4, minus 4n. And then 19 minus 8, 11. So here you write 11. Part B now. In part B, here you have 4m plus 3m cubed. What are the like terms? The like terms are here 3m cubed plus 7m cubed. You get 10m cubed. So here you write 10 and here m to the power of 3. And then what about m? 4m minus 10m, you get minus 6m. So here minus 6m, you have the minus already written for you, you write 6. And finally you have 4, so here you write 4. So here you write 4, and that is the final answer. Okay, let's now see another one. Here, simplify these two expressions to answer the following questions. What's the degree of the resulting polynomial? Usually the degree of the polynomial is the highest degree. So let's simplify it first and see what's the highest degree. Here if you simplify, you have to distribute the minus to the bracket as a whole. Okay, so don't forget to distribute minus into the bracket. So here you get 3x to the 4 minus 3x to the 4, this is cancelled. Minus 7x cubed minus 7x cubed, this will be here minus, because you distribute the minus sign. So minus 7x cubed minus 7x cubed, you get minus 14. So here you have minus 14x cubed. Okay, then minus 11x squared minus minus 2 becomes plus 2, so you get minus 9x squared. And then 5x minus minus 6x, it becomes a plus, so 5x plus 6x, you get plus 11x. Then 2 minus minus 3, and this will be 5, so plus 5. And that is the answer to question A. Now, what is the degree of the resulting polynomial? Degree is the highest degree, which is 3. So the degree is 3. What is the coefficient of x in the resulting polynomial? Coefficient of x means the number next to x, which is 11. So the answer here is 11. And that was question. That was the answer to the question. Alright, so let's continue. Here, simplify. Now to simplify this, distribute the minus. So you get 6 minus 3x plus, minus times plus, you get minus. So 6 minus 8, you get minus 2. So you get minus 3x minus 2. That is final answer, which is very easy. Okay, let's see next one. Here you have to solve also. Distribute the plus. If you distribute the plus, does not affect anything, it becomes 4 plus 3x plus 2, and that will be 6 plus 3x. That is the final answer. Next question here. You have to simplify this also. So 8y minus 2y minus 4. Now 8y minus 2y, you get 6y. Minus 4, you cannot simplify it anymore, so you leave it this way, and that is the answer. Next one. Here you have 4 plus 3x plus 2, and that will be 6 plus 3x. That is the final answer. Next one. Here you have, fill in each blank with the proper number. Simplify to answer the following. So if you want to simplify, this is a plus, it's very easy. Since this is plus, it's very easy. 3x to the power of 4 plus 7x to the power of 4, this is 11x to the power of 4. Next, x cubed plus 5x cubed. Remember, here you have plus. So if you distribute plus 1 to the bracket, this does not affect anything. So x cubed plus 5x cubed, you get plus 6x cubed. Then minus 3x squared plus 6x squared, you get plus 3x squared. Plus 11x, and here minus 2x, you get plus 9x. And then plus 5, there's no number here on the second expression, so plus 5 stays the same. Now the coefficient of the highest term in the resulting polynomial is, highest term is x to the power of 4, so the coefficient is 11. The coefficient of x cubed in the resulting polynomial, x cubed here, coefficient is 6, so the answer here will be 6. And that is the answer. In case you have any question, feel free to send me a message on WhatsApp so I can also repeat or answer your questions. Here, since the sign is plus here, if you distribute plus on the bracket, this does not affect anything, the number stays the same. So minus 5 plus 3, you get minus 2. And 6 plus 5, you get 11. So the answer is minus 2x plus 11. And that's it. Okay. Let's now move to next one. Here. Fill in the blanks with the correct numbers to make each statement true. First one, negative 15x plus 7 plus 5x squared minus 3x plus 4. If you collect like terms, here there is no term in x squared but this 5x, so here you have 5x squared. But you can also combine this one and this one. Minus 15 minus 3, you get minus 18, so here you write 18 because the minus is already written to you. And 4 plus 7, 11, so here you write 11. Next one, here you have minus 3x squared and minus 6x, so plus 6. So minus 3m squared plus 6m squared, you get 3. So here 3m squared. Then you have 4m. Here you have 4m and minus, distribute minus 2m. So because there's minus here, you multiply it by this plus. So it becomes 4m minus 2m, and that will be 2m. So here you have 2m. And in last space, 10 minus times plus 3, you get 10 minus 3, which is 7. So here it is 7. And that is the final answer. Let's see next question now. Here is next question. We want to add these two expressions. Give your answer in simplest form. So as usual, you have to add like terms. I'll start with highest. Here you have 6x cubed and here 4x cubed. So if you add them, what do you get? You get 10x cubed. And then you have 2x squared and minus 5x squared. If you add them, you get negative 3x squared. And then you have this 9x and this 7x. These are like terms. You can take them together. You can add them together. So plus 16x. The numbers are just here two numbers, which are minus 13 and minus 1. And that will be minus 14. And that is the final answer. Next question. Here, in order to do this, you distribute the minus here into the bracket. So you write 6x plus 7 minus 4x plus 1. 6x minus 4x, you get 2x, and 7 plus 1, you get 8. So final answer, 2x plus 8. Alright, so next one. Here you have 3 brackets. Let's collect like terms, but let's first distribute the minus. So 17a squared plus 8 minus 4a plus 3 minus 9a squared minus 4. Let's collect like terms. 17a squared and minus 9a squared. 17 minus 9 is 8. So here we write 8a squared. Then minus 4a doesn't have like term, so I write it as it is, minus 4a. Then I have 8 plus 3, 11, minus 4, 7. So plus 7, and that is the final answer. Okay, I will leave the rest of the questions to you to solve them alone. In case you have any question, feel free to ask me on WhatsApp. I will answer any question you send. Thank you.